Welcome to another how to bake video. Today we are going to bake chocolate chip muffins and they are really good. It's an easy recipe and there is no mixer needed. This is what we are going to use: all-purpose flour, dairy butter, chocolate chips, milk, sugar, vegetable oil, baking powder, baking soda, salt, 2 eggs and some vanilla flavor. Start with shaking your flour, baking powders and salt through a sieve. Now put your sugar, butter and oil into a bowl. Mix it all together. And then add your 2 eggs, make sure they are on room temperature. Keep mixing and then add your milk, which also should be on room temperature. And put in your vanilla as well. When it's well mixed, add half of your dry ingredients and mix it a little. And now you can put the other half in. Mix it until there is no more flour visible, but it's important not to overmix. And then you can add your chocolate chips. We are almost ready now. Cover it up and put your muffin batter into the fridge for at least 1 hour. Start preheating your oven to 180 degrees. I am using a muffin tray like this. Let's start filling them up. Try to divide your muffin batter evenly and you can choose how to decorate them yourself. I am using some brown sugar and white chocolate. Okay, that's it. Now put them into the oven on 180 degrees and bake them for 12 to 15 minutes.